My friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. Thanks for clicking on this video today. This is a very, very beginner yoga routine. Never done yoga before. This is perfect for you. We're gonna slow it down, do a number of key poses, and flow them together for a full body experience. And make sure you check in below. I'm gonna put the cap on, keep the sun out of my eyes. Wherever you're doing this, you got space, you have a mat, and some comfortable clothes. All right, let's begin. Beginning with child's pose. Let's tuck in the shirt first, shall we? Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Focus on deep breathing into the front, the sides, and the back. Take the knees wide and press it back. Child's pose is a very popular asana, a very popular pose in yoga. It's great for relieving tension and stress in your back, in the muscles of the back, in the spine, in the shoulders, and feel it stretching into your upper glutes as well. Relax the shoulders. The brim of my cap is on the mat. Sway it back and forth a little bit, breathing into your back, into the shoulders. And our goal with this routine is to find release, to find control and balance, and deepen our ability to breathe, breathing in the nose and out the nose. Let's do 3 more breaths. Always releasing into the pose, into the posture. Good. Breathe in the front, the sides, and your lower back, always inflating your center. Okay, threading the needle. Hi. From our child's pose, take your left hand, left arm. We're going to slide it underneath the right arm. Go as far as you can comfortably. Of course, always move to your own level, especially if you're a beginner, never done it before. Be very, very in control of what you're doing. We're going to release down as much as you can, so we're twisting, we're rotating. This arm is forward, the right shoulder is drawing back. Let's do 5 breaths here. In the nose and out the nose, deep breathing. As we get some rotation in the sides and the low back and some stretch in your shoulders. Good. Deepening that rotation gently as your body is ready. Let it deepen. How does that feel in the sides? Does that feel good? When I teach live classes, this is a crowd pleaser right here. It's very subtle but very powerful. All right, let's lift up to the center for a moment. Woo. Hands are down. Relax the shoulders. Keep it loose in the arms, in the shoulders. No tension. Take the tension out. We accumulate enough tension during the day. Let's use this session to let it go. Now the right arm. Here we go. Slide it underneath. Thread the needle. 5 breaths. Here we go. Perhaps getting some adjustments in your back or your spine. Some cavitations. Every breath, every exhale, deepen the pose, twisting slightly, a little bit more. Gratuitous sounds are extra. 1 more breath. All right, bring the arm through. We're just entering the exciting world of yoga. Some of you, I'm very excited for you. Let's come to a seated position. Take the legs forward first. Let's shake them out. Shake out the arms and the legs. Never be afraid to let it loose, to let go, keep it loose. That includes the fingers and the toes, letting go of tension. A lot of times we feel we have to, for some reason, hold on to that. No, I have to keep that tension. Get rid of it. It does nothing. It does nothing but pull you down. Take the bottoms of the feet together. Butterfly stretch, also called cobbler's pose, if I'm not mistaken, because of the feet, cobblers. All right, take the hands to the feet. Now your knees might be up here, they might be here, they might be down here, wherever you are. Take your elbows on the legs. With each exhale, gently hinge forward a little bit and open the hips. Now you see my legs drop down pretty far, and that's because I do these stretches and poses a lot. So I practice them a lot, and practice makes perfect. The more consistent you can be, the more results you will get, the better you will feel. I've never heard it go the opposite way. Let's do 3 more breaths. If you're comfortable too, you can gently place the hands here, keep the shoulders back, keep the chest open. Movement here if you like, a little twisting, don't be afraid to do that. Keep the spine loose. All right. Going into the Sphinx pose, sometimes called the baby Cobra because it's so cute. Forearms down, palms flat. Legs extended back, keep the body nice and lengthened. We're always lengthening from our center here, our core. Elbows under the shoulders. Now draw the shoulders back, so we definitely feel them go back and down, and we feel some lift in the chest, some expansion in the chest. I like that word, expanding. Let's take 5 breaths. Keep the neck long, chin slightly tucked. Lifting a little with the inhale. What a fine day it is, just a beautiful day. Good. Getting that nice curve from the lumbar, the lower section of our back, of our spine, into the thoracic, the middle. All right, give me a child's pose. Knees, so we have a back bend. Now we get a little inversion here, meaning the head goes at or below the waist. Feel free to take the hands a little further forward than last time to deepen the stretch in the back and the spine. And then relax the shoulders back towards the ears. Learn to create opposition in your movement so you accumulate the stretch and the increased blood flow. 2 more breaths. All right, once more. Give you the option. Once again, you could do baby Cobra or go into the Cobra. Cobra Kai. Never dies. Hands are on the shoulders. Again, legs are extended back. Set up the pose before you execute. Inhale, draw the shoulders up and back. So we're lifting the chest slightly off the mat. My elbows are into my ribs, getting a nice lift. Let's do 3 breaths. Lift with the inhale, lengthen with the exhale. Getting some beautiful movement in the spine. Now, options. Once again, you may go back to child's pose or go to downward facing dog. Give you that option. I've done other beginner workouts, yoga ones, and sometimes I slip in down dog, and some people, they might take offense at that sometimes. Like, well, you can't do down dog. So, well, don't do it then. Do child's pose. Here, my friends, is down dog. Feet are behind the hips. You're shifting your weight back, so it's moving. I just spit, didn't I? That was beginner spitting. You're shifting the weight back this way, towards the heels. I want you to take your shoulders, move them a little bit like this. Take out tension in the shoulders and in between the shoulders, in the upper back. Tuck the chin, spread the fingers wide. This, my friends, is down dog. Again, my legs are pretty lengthened, my heels are down, but I practice it. I'm always practicing it. I'm filming it, I'm teaching it, I'm doing it for myself. You'll want to create your very own yoga practice. Make it your own. 2 more breaths. Blood flow to the brain. And these are foundational poses, so always work on them. Practice them. Okay. Ooh. Well, we got time maybe for one more. There's so many fun things to do. I'm a kid in a candy store. We'll finish with low lunge. Right foot forward. This left knee can be right under the hip if that's more comfortable, or slide it back. Fingers down, or we'll put the arms right here. Nothing big. Relax the upper body. I want you to feel this contraction right here in your front leg, and feel the stretch in the back leg. The hip flexor stretch, and a little balance too. Keep your shoulders back. Let's do 3 breaths. Once you get the foundation of your lunge, there are so many variations you can do around it. So the more you aspire in your yoga practice, the more experience you get. There's more and more you can do. Keep opening up hidden levels on Legend of Zelda. Put a little bomb there, boom, there's a door, and boo, 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 Legend of Zelda. Okay. Who remembers Legend of Zelda? Yoga. Okay, enough of that. All right, let's go to the other side. Left foot forward. Find where you want to put that right knee. You can slide it back. I'm going to come up here. Relax. Even place the hands up a little higher. Getting some balance. Focusing the eyes. Do you like this beginner? Let me know in the comments below if you want more of these. More of these beginner yoga classes. It's the best place to reach me is in the comments. Let's do one more breath. Good. Nice and easy. Shoulders are open. And shake it out. And there it is, my friends. Yoga for complete beginners. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. Pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.